Hi children. Today we are going to learn the worksheets from 111 to 114. These worksheets are also animals around us and the video is 76. And this is also the last video of this topic, animals around us. You have so many animals around us. You have been learning so many things about animals, isn't it? So now let's see how to do these worksheets in page number 111. You are given two questions in 111. That is, one is to write about your pet and the other question is to take a picture of your pet. Yeah, I understand. All of you do not have pets. Some have pets, some do not have. It's okay. Who are having pets need to write about the pet. Okay, let it be dog, cat, rabbit, mice, fish, birds, whichever pet you have. You need to write it in these sentences. And my little ones, one more thing. Who do not have a pet, you can pick out a pet animal which you like and imagine that you have it in your home and then write a few sentences about it. Suppose you do not have a pet. Imagine you have a pet cat. You love a cat. You wish to have it. So write about a cat. Imagine you love to have a dog in your home as a pet, but you don't have. Imagine that you have it and write few sentences about it. That's the way you imagine and write it who do not have pets, and the children who are having pets need to write about the pet what you have in your home. Okay little ones, here I am going to write 5 sentences generally about a pet. Not necessary that you need to write the same way. Okay children, you can write your own sentences. This is only as an example which I am writing on the board, 5 sentences about a pet. Let us write, I have a pet cat. Since I love a pet cat, I am writing about a cat. I have a pet cat. I call it by Snowy. Why Snowy? It is white in color. Full stop. Then it loves to drink milk and eat fish. Eat fish. The last word is sentences I love my pet cat, comma, Snowy. So I now will read these sentences. Generally, you can write your own sentences as I said before. I have a pet cat. I call it by Snowy. It is white in color. That's why I call it Snowy. It loves to drink milk and eat fish. I love my pet cat Snowy. Come on children. Now, next you have another question. As I said, 2 questions. The second part is a box is given. You have to stick your pet in that box. Either a cat or a dog or a bird, a fish, a mice, whichever pet you have, you can stick a color picture or you can even take a black and white picture and you can color it. Or if you don't get a picture, you can draw and color it. Any of the way you can do it. Okay children? So now, next you have on page number 112, you have it's animals, home, young one, sounds of the animals. This is not in your portion, but it's only given as an additional information for you. Please don't by heart all these things which are on page number 112. This is only an additional information. Like for example, it's like lion. It lives in a den. The young one of the lion is called as a cub. And what's the sound it makes? Roar. Right? Yes. And next comes a dog. It lives in a kennel. Its baby is puppy. And what does it do? Bow, bow, bow. Right? Yes. Then comes cat. It lives in a cage. The baby of a cat is called as a kitten. And what's the sound? Meow. Meow. Right. Now, it goes on. You have 15 of them, but there's nothing to study in it or by heart in it. Just go through it. Coming to page number 113, that is a big farm which you have here, and it's a barn. The room in a farm is called as a barn. You have it in your worksheet. You need to color it beautifully like this. Any colors, any shades you can use and make it as beautiful as you. Then children, coming to the last one. Last page we have is a poem. It's a small poem. So that poem is about animals itself. So you can see so many animals are around it. I just will read out, then we will sing. 1, 2, the name of the poem. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. What does the horse need? It needs a shoe because it's running. The next you have 3, 4, the pig wants more. 3, 4, the pig wants more. What does the pig do? Go on eating, go on eating, go on eating. When some people eat much, what do they call? Don't eat like pigs. Why? That's a saying. Why do they say? Because pigs eat, go on eating, eating. Then 5, 6, here comes the chicks. So you have chicks are coming over here. From here, this side, they are going that side. Here comes the chicks. 7, 8, cows at the gate. You can see the cows are at the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. You can see over there, a big fat hen. So, let's try to sing it, my little ones. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. Come on, repeat. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. Good. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. 3, 4, the pig wants more. 3, 4, the pig wants more. 5, 6, here comes the chicks. 5, 6, here comes the chicks. 7, 8, cows at the gate. 7, 8, cows at the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So let's sing. I'm sorry, I'm very poor at singing, but just now let's do it once again. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. 3, 4, the pigs want mow. 5, 6, here comes the chicks. 7, 8, cows at the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So please will you repeat with me? You need to learn it orally. That means no need to write it. You need to learn it by heart how to do it. Come on, last. 1, 2, the horse needs a shoe. 3, 4, the pigs want mow. 5, 6, here comes the chicks. 7, 8, cows at the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Yes, my little ones, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much. And to wind up all that what we have learned in this topic animals around us is we have learnt about the domestic animals, wild animals, farm animals, aquatic animals, arboreal animals, amphibians, birds. In birds, we have studied flightless birds, birds which can fly very high and some birds which can fly only little heights. And also we studied the birds and animals that can swim, the birds which have webbed feet, the animals which give us milk, the animals which gives us silk, wool, meat, so many things. Animals gives us eggs. So all these we have studied. And now I want you to go through this lesson by reading it 3 times thoroughly, because I'll be taking a reading test very soon. You'll be having a reading test and you'll be given marks. I'm going to see who's going to do the best. So please read it well, learn the question and answers, examples, everything thoroughly so that you are well off this lesson. That's it for today. Bye-bye. See you.